In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Expedia trip to Google Calendar. Keeping your travel plans synced in one place means fewer surprises and a smoother trip. So let's walk through the setup clearly and simply. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want your trip to appear. Ideally, this should be the same account that receives your Expedia confirmation emails because that's how your itinerary will flow into your calendar. In the top right corner of Google Calendar, click the Settings gear, then choose Settings. On the left side, find Event Settings. Look for the option that says Show Events Automatically Created by Gmail in My Calendar. Turn that on. This switch is the key to making everything work. With it enabled, Google Calendar can automatically recognize and add events from emails that include travel details, things like flight times, hotel check-in and check-out, and car rentals, without you typing anything in. There's nothing else to save here. Once the toggle is on, you're set. Now, go to the Expedia website, sign into your account using the option at the top right. Once you're in, open the Trips section to review your upcoming reservations. Confirm that your flights, hotels, and any other bookings look correct and match the dates you expect. Expedia will send a confirmation email summarizing your itinerary to the email address on your account. Here's where Google does the heavy lifting. When that confirmation lands in your Gmail inbox, Google scans the message for structured travel details and creates the corresponding events on your calendar. You'll typically see separate entries for each flight segment and hotel stay, complete with times, locations, and links back to the email. If you don't see them immediately, give it a few minutes and refresh Google Calendar. Also, double check you're viewing the correct Google account and that the Gmail events option is still turned on. From this point forward, you won't need to manually add your Expedia bookings. Any new confirmation or update email that arrives in your Gmail will update your calendar automatically, helping you avoid typos, missed times, or overlapping plans. The same events will appear in the Google Calendar mobile app, so your itinerary is always in your pocket. And that's it. With these simple steps, your Expedia trips will flow straight into Google Calendar, keeping your travel organized with minimal effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Calendar tips and travel organization tricks. Safe travels and happy planning!